Ever found yourself needing a little financial boost between paychecks? We've all been there. Maybe an unexpected bill popped up, or you just really needed that new gadget. That's where services like Beforepay can seem like a lifesaver. But a question we get asked a lot is, do you actually need a bank account to use Beforepay? Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what Beforepay is. For those unfamiliar, it's a service that lets you access a portion of your earned wages before your actual payday. Think of it as a small, short-term advance on your salary. This can be incredibly helpful in bridging those financial gaps that sometimes appear between paychecks. They charge a small fee for the service, which is usually a fixed percentage of the amount you withdraw. It's important to understand these fees up front so you're not caught off guard. Now, back to the million-dollar question, do you need a bank account to use Beforepay? The short answer is yes. Beforepay works by directly debiting your nominated bank account when your salary arrives. They need a way to receive repayment for the advance they've given you. This is how they ensure they get their money back, plus the small fee, and it's a fundamental part of their business model. They can't exactly come knocking on your door for cash, can they? Think about it this way, Beforepay is essentially giving you a small loan. And just like any lender, they need to know where to send the money and how to get repaid. Your bank account acts as that crucial link. It's the conduit through which the funds are transferred, both to you initially and back to Beforepay when your paycheck lands. This requirement for a bank account is actually quite standard across most financial services that involve lending or transferring money. It's a way to verify your identity, track transactions, and ensure a smooth and secure process for both you and the service provider. Imagine trying to manage your finances without a bank account these days. It would be incredibly difficult, right? So, if you're considering using Beforepay, make sure you have an active and accessible bank account. It's not just a requirement for Beforepay, but it's a vital tool for managing your finances in general. If you don't have one, it might be a good idea to explore your banking options before looking into services like Beforepay. There are many different types of accounts available, so you can find one that suits your needs. It's also worth noting that Beforepay will likely need to verify your bank account. This usually involves linking your account through a secure platform and may require you to provide some information, like your bank account number and BSB. This is a standard procedure for financial services and is designed to protect both you and Beforepay from fraud. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. What if I use a digital wallet or a prepaid card? While these can be useful tools, they generally don't work with services like Beforepay. Beforepay needs a traditional bank account that's linked to your regular salary payments. This is because they need to be able to automatically debit the funds when your paycheck arrives. Digital wallets and prepaid cards often don't have this functionality. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.